From India to Silicon Valley, innovation has a new heartbeat and it beats with Indian innovators. Today, our country is not just the fastest growing economy, but the world's third largest startup ecosystem. Home to over 100 unicorns rewriting their success stories. And now, right here in the national capital, Delhi, we are witnessing yet another historic step in this journey. The launch of Campus Tank, India's biggest university-led startup launchpad for young innovators by Chandigarh University. Conceived to fuel India's entrepreneurial revolution and aligned with the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to make India a global startup hub. Campus Tank, backed with a $6 million funding pool, has brought together the country's leading policymakers, unicorn founders, venture capitalists, and young entrepreneurs. And to lead this momentous launch, we are honored to have with us Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Union Minister of State for Science and Technology.
Initiative of Campus Tank is also one of the first of its kind, at least in North India, because North India has been slightly late in taking off this movement. And as was being claimed, the largest startup launchpad for young founders.
So India's youth are emerging as global innovators. How do you see Campus Tank helping students transform their ideas into next unicorn?
I think Campus Tank is well backed with the Satamji's vision and the TBI incubators. A lot can be achieved, and of course, with funding coming in from venture capitalists and a large base of hungry, aspiring students coming also from both Apna and Chandigarh University. Together, we're lucky to have an ecosystem like this that can play a very big role in building India.
How do you see Campus Tank helping you navigate challenges and turn your idea into a successful venture?
The biggest challenge there is to have the capital support, and I think platforms and events like Campus Tank exactly is helping us with the funding, and I think that's the biggest support students can have, biggest support an early stage startups can have. So I think, yeah, that's the perfect solution we're having.
Entrepreneurship is driving India's growth, and Campus Tank is bringing that revolution straight to our campuses across the nation.